In this video, we will study about the cockroach anatomy that contains the male reproductive system. As we know that the cockroach are dioecious organism. Dioecious means unisexual. So we can write the cockroach is dioecious organism. This dioecious organism means sexes are separate here. Means the condition is unisexual. मेल एंड फीमेल बॉडीज आर डिफरेंट. जैसा कि हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि एनल स्टाइल डिफरेंशिएट द मेल एज वेल एज द फीमेल cockroaches. So we can show that the dioecious organism, that is the unisexual, how this unisexual condition showing the different type of the reproductive system into different body. So in this video we will study about the male reproductive system. So first of all we have to write the reproductive parts, means the organs of the reproductive structure or the reproductive system here. First we can say that testes are present in cockroach's body. Then what about the testes? Testes is paired structure and present in between 4th to 6th abdominal segment. Means the testes are the paired structure and located between the 4th to 6th abdominal segment. So we can label here this structure is known as testes. Structure is known as testes. These testes are highly developed in the young ones and greatly reduced in the adult body. Highly developed in young cockroaches and reduced in adult. Means its size get reduced in the adult cockroaches. So this is all about the testes. Now the second part of the male reproductive structure is vas deferens. These vas deferens are long tubes, and these tubes originates, or you can say starts from the testis and transported up to there is present a special gland which is named as utricular gland, or you can say it the mushroom shaped gland. So we can label here this part is known as vas deferens. This vas deferens is the paired structure. So we can write it is paired structure. Paired structure arise from testes. Means they arise from testes and opens behind, we can say opens behind the mushroom shaped gland. Mushroom shaped gland in ejaculatory duct. So this is about the vas deferens. Next thing is the mushroom shaped gland. Mushroom shaped gland. This mushroom shaped gland is also known as utricular gland. Also named as utricular gland. This utricular gland present at the junction of the vas deferens as well as the ejaculatory duct. It is present at the junction of ejaculatory duct and vas deferens. was different. So we can label it, this red portion we are showing here, it is the mushroom shaped gland. It is also known as the utricular gland. In this utricular gland there are two different things. First we are showing here with the small spherical dots. It is known as small tubules, and outer portion that is containing the large tubules in it. This is the large tubule, and this large tubule is also known as the uricose gland. Uricose gland, इसके बारे में हमने एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में भी पढ़ा था कि यूरिकोज ग्लैंड्स क्या होते हैं. दे स्टोर द यूरिक एसिड and excrete that uric acid at the time of copulation through the spermatophore. So these are the uricose gland, means that is the part of the mushroom or the utricular gland which helps in excretion of the urea by the through the copulation, when the copulation takes place in the male cockroach's body. Now the next one, you can say that these large tubule and small tubules are present in mushroom shaped gland. So there is, we can say that these small tubules are known as seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. This seminal vesicle helps in providing nourishment to the sperm. So this is the seminal vesicle provide nourishment to the sperm. So this is about the seminal vesicle, means related to the रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. यूरिकोज ग्लैंड के बारे में हमने एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में बात की थी कि यूरिकोज ग्लैंड का मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है. नाउ देयर इज प्रेजेंट a sac-like structure behind the you can say that the mushroom-shaped gland, which is named as phallic gland. This uricose gland behind the mushroom-shaped gland is known as the phallic gland. This phallic gland also has the significant role in the reproduction. Now, the next thing is a tube-like structure arises behind the mushroom-shaped gland is known as ejaculatory duct. This ejaculatory duct helps in passing sperms from cockroach body. From the cockroach body, means this ejaculatory duct helps in passing of the sperms from the cockroach's body, and these sperms are released in the form of spermatophores. And these spermatophore is released at the time of copulation, and these spermatophore are coated with a special substance at the time of copulation, and that substance, or you can say the secretion, released by this phallic gland. So this phallic gland release substance for coating of spermatophore. This is the function of the phallic gland. And the last part of the male reproductive system in cockroach is phallomere. This phallomere are made up of three chitinous structure, and these three chitinous structures are right phallomere, left phallomere, and ventral phallomery. Means these are three chitinous structures which is known as phallomery, which is known as the phallomery, and these phallomery represents male gonapophysis. This male gonapophysis is the part of the phallomery, and it behaves like external genitalia. Behaves like the external genitalia. We can write here, this is the right phallomery. This is the ventral phallomery. And this one is the left phallomery. And all these phallomeries are present near a small pore. That pore is from the ejaculatory duct, which is named as male gonopore. This male gonopore is situated behind, or you can say on the ventral side of the anus. This is about the male reproductive structure or male reproductive system of the cockroach body. In the next video, we will study about the female reproductive system in the cockroach body.